Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a sun shape on Illustrator. So I'm just gonna change the color here first to this orange. We'll talk about that later, like the gradient and stuff. So we're going to use the ellipse tool and we're just going to create this kind of oval shape. Then we're going to press M on our keyboard just to get the rectangle tool, and we're going to place that in front. Just gonna make it a little bit, lower. Maybe like this low. Go to Pathfinder and select minus front. Okay. So I'm just going to grab a pen tool and I'm just going to add 2 points at the top here because there's already the other points kind of like at the bottom. Oh, sorry. I need to make sure I like really select it. Why am I not selecting it? There we go. We just need to add anchor points to it. Use the selection tool, select the points, and then move like your keyboard button to the right, like the arrow key, and then this one to the left to create the sun waves. I think I need to make this a little bit more down here. There we go. Then I'm just going to add the linear gradient first, and then I'm going to select 90 degrees on it, and then for this color I'm going to change it to an orange color. Like that. And then we will need to also do it for the circle shape, but instead we are going to do the radial gradient. I think I might make this a little bit smaller. Okay, not that small. Okay, hold on. This one, radial, and I'm just gonna have to switch. Okay, I have to like switch it this way because there's no way. Okay, I'm just gonna delete this one. Keep adding. And I'm just going to adjust the gradient so the orange is more visible than the white. Okay. Select this and then select rotate. Select Alt on your keyboard and make it the center point of the circle. For the angle, you're going to do 360 over 20. Select copy and then just press Ctrl D on your keyboard. And voila, that is how you can create a sun shape in Illustrator. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.